Hello editors. Today, I'll show you how to make this type of blurry zoom shake effect on CapCut with very easy steps. So let's begin without wasting our time. But if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share, and subscribe me. Let's begin. First, import your clips into CapCut. Set the clips according to the beat. Freeze the first part of the clip and make it as overlay. Set the duration to 0.4 seconds. Bring it to the first of the clip. Put two keyframes, one at the first and second at the last of the overlay. Now remove the background of the overlay using the auto removal. Now at the first keyframe, take down the overlay from the screen. Go to Graph. Use a custom graph. Now come to the main clip. Put two keyframes, one at the first and another at the last of the clip. At the last keyframe, zoom out the clip, little bit with your hand. Use a custom graph. Apply this to all clips. Now go to Transitions. Search for X shake or shake. Set the duration to 0.2 seconds. Apply this to all clips. Go to Effects, then Video Effects. Search for Oblique Blur Effect. Adjust it as I am doing. Put two keyframes, one at the first, another at the last. At the first keyframe, set the blur to 100%, and at the last, set it to 0%. Duplicate it one time. Now again go to Effects and search for Shake Effect. Adjust it as I am doing. Put two keyframes, one at the first, another at the last. Set the speed to 100% at the first keyframe, and set the speed to 0% at the last keyframe. Apply these effects to all the clips. Thanks for watching.